Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Mr. Hamid Ali Rao, Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Madam Dr. Ashia Hamid Rao, Convener Mr. Samshuddin Sams, and Mr. P.V. Ashraf, my fellow Indians and media personalities, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, a very good evening to all. I feel greatly honored for this opportunity to speak in this august audience, comprising of members of all the Indian expatriate associations here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to this holy land, Saudi Arabia. On behalf of Indian community, I extend my hearty welcome and I wish you great time in Saudi Arabia. With all your earlier successful tenure, we, the expat community in Saudi Arabia, request your support for a few issues. I have been an expatriate for the last 25 years in Saudi Arabia, and having been actively involved with many social service organizations, want to bring your attention on 3 important issues. All of us are aware that the Indian expatriate community here in Saudi Arabia is unique, being the largest one, and vast majority of them being low-paid workers living in squalid labor camps. And quite a majority of them are being exploited by fraudulent agents and many times by their own employers. These affected expatriates desperately need the attention and the support of the embassy officials. The embassy has been extending its support for the cause of this segment of the expatriates. But considering the extent of the problems and the number of the persons affected and the spread across the kingdom, we from all the associations humbly request the Honorable Ambassador to expand the support activities by way of assigning more resources and processes. The second request which I want to draw the attention of His Excellency the Ambassador is with regard to the Indian community schools in Saudi Arabia. I have been associating with the International Indian School in Riyadh for long and was also the chairman for the past management committee. One avoidable recurring expenses I noticed is the rent of the schools. The rent the schools are paying for the school buildings. The Indian community schools in Saudi Arabia altogether pay an annual rent of approximately 20 to 25 million riyals. Indian schools are facing tough time during renewal of rental premises, as the building owners have almost made it point to extract the maximum from the schools by force taking advantage of our school situation with no alternative options. And this puts the management committee in precarious position while trying to balance the budgets. Our humble request to His Excellency Ambassador is to form a committee headed by himself and with members from the school management committee and interested social organizations, members from the Indian expatriate community, and consider constructing our own school building in the 3 major cities first with the help of government alone. The third request is again related to the education. Quite a large number of expatriates have been here for long periods, and they need to send their children to India or other countries to study in the colleges or universities. Many families are getting divided due to this, as men working here and family moving to India for the study. We request His Excellency the Ambassador to kindly study the possibilities of evincing interest among the educational institutes in India and persuading them to establish the facilities here in Saudi Arabia and offer engineering and medical level education here through whichever model that is viable. We earnestly hope that His Excellency the Ambassador will be able to address the request raised here. We wish His Excellency the Ambassador all the very best for his successful tenure here, and we assure of our support in all possible manner. With this, I conclude my welcome speech. Thank you.